In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a single answer in Google Forms 5 minutes. If you've ever received a response you need to remove, maybe it's a duplicate, a test submission, or something submitted by mistake, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to delete just that one answer without affecting the rest of your data. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser. This is the easiest hub to reach all your Google tools. Once Drive loads, look for the Google Apps icon, the small grid in the corner. Click it to open the Apps panel and then choose Forms. This takes you straight into the Forms homepage, where you'll see the forms you've created or have access to. Make sure you're signed in with the account that owns or can edit the form, because you'll need edit permissions to remove responses. Next, pick the form that contains the response you want to delete. Click it to open the editor view. At the top of the form, switch over to the Responses tab. This is where all the submitted answers are collected and summarized. You'll see 3 views: Summary, Question, and Individual. Choose Individual. This view lets you scroll through one submission at a time, which is exactly what we need for deleting a single entry. Use the left and right arrows to navigate through the responses, or open the drop down to jump directly to a specific submission if you know which one you're targeting. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct response. Check details like timestamps or specific answers to be certain, because what you do next is permanent. When you're sure, look for the trash bin icon near the top of the response panel and click it. Google Forms will prompt you to confirm. Read the confirmation message carefully. Deleting a response removes it from the form's results, and if your form is linked to a Google Sheet, that row will be removed there as well. If that's what you intend, click Yes to confirm. You'll see the response count decrease, and you can continue reviewing any remaining submissions. If you're managing a lot of responses, it's a good habit to double check the totals in Summary View after you're done, just to make sure everything looks right. That's all there is to it. You went from Google Drive, opened Forms, selected your form, switched to the Responses tab, viewed responses individually, chose the right one, hit the trash bin, and confirmed. Thanks for watching, and happy form managing.